Mabuhay! Just a quick video on how I peel and serve a pineapple. Hope you learned something. Let's get started.
Been walking round in circles, wondering where to start. This long overdue conversation